Hi guys, my name is Jason Edwards from Marinex Boat Sales. I'd like to introduce you to the Golden 340EF. The Golden 340EF makes a nice yacht tender for your powerboat or sailboat. It's 10 foot 10 inches long and rated for 30 horsepower max. Let me tell you about some main features on the Golden 340. You got the wide bow step plate up front here with the navigation lights and the stainless steel pop-up bow cleat. Nice and easy for tying off to the dock. Got a nice big bow locker up in the bow here. Lots of storage space for all your accessories. It has a removable cushion up in the bow. Nice and comfortable seating with a couple grab handles for you. You got a nice wide cushion at the back, lots of seating for 2 people. On the back here you got an adjustable seat back to suit anybody's needs. On the sides here you got 2 stainless steel grab handles that make you feel nice and secure in the boat. And then you got a nice low profile console with a stainless steel grab handle on the console. You got your instrument cluster package here and here, and some marine switches here, bilge pump, nav lights, horn, and you got some storage space underneath the helm here. Underneath the rear back seat here, there's lots of storage for your gas tank, life jackets, safety equipment, or any other needs you need to put in there. At the rear we got fiberglass step ends, which make it nice and easy for boarding in and out of the water. We've got transom extensions at the rear here, which give the boat better planing capability and stability. Up here we got stainless steel tie-off cleats on both sides of the boat, and the boat performs excellent with the 20 horsepower power tilt with 2 to 3 people in it. Let's see how this boat performs with 1 person. This is how easy the boat planes with 2 people on board. Load up our plane in 5 seconds. Quick stop now, and the water does not come over the transom.